When doing a head massage, you can use your knuckles to rub and warm up the scalp. You can also use both hands to lift from the bottom upward. If your hands feel uncomfortable, you can use this 5-claw massager tool instead. You can use it to knead from the bottom upward. Place your fingers on this part of the 5-claw massager tool and lift from the bottom upward. Adjust the pressure according to what the person can tolerate. Then, you can do pushing and kneading motions up and down. Repeat the pushing and kneading from the center to the sides, all the way up to the upper edge of the ears. If the scalp folds are quite deep, you can use your hands to pull apart the folds. This makes it easier to smooth out those areas. Push outward from the center. Just like this, push and knead from the middle to the sides. Did you learn this simple head relaxation method?
Step 1. Push along both sides of the trapezius muscles. Step 2. Make a fist and kneel push to intensify. Step 3. Lift and pull in the Dazui acupoint area. For those with Dowager's hump, you can do this several more times. Step 4. Use the thumbs to push and knead the fatigue points. Step 5. Push along the gaps between the shoulder blades. First, push the left side. Then push the right side. Press and knead the Tianzong acupoint. Step 6. Make a fist and kneel push along the entire upper back. Finally, lift and pull the Feng Fu and Feng Qi acupoints.
Learn home back massage techniques in 1 minute. First step, use finger pads to perform direct pushing on the back of the neck. Second step, perform separating pushes on both sides of the trapezius muscles, and then perform plucking and kneading on the Dazui acupoint area. Third step, perform separating pushes along the scapular borders. Fourth step, push along the bladder meridian on both sides of the back. Fifth step, perform direct pushing along the Du meridian. Be careful not to apply too much pressure to the spine. Sixth step, make a fist and perform direct pushing and rubbing to warm up the back. Perform each set of movements 20 times. Finally, soothe and relax the entire back. Sharing breast massage techniques. First, apply massage oil evenly on the breasts. First step, acupoint activation. Massage each acupoint in a circular motion 3 to 5 times. Second step, push our clavicular lymph nodes towards the armpits. Third step, use both thumbs for direct pushing. Fourth step, make a fist. Use the knuckles for direct pushing. Fifth step, use stacked palms for horizontal pushing from side to side. Sixth step, perform circular kneading. Finally, perform overall relaxation. Did you learn it? Today I will share a set of abdominal massage techniques. First, evenly apply an appropriate amount of massage oil. Press these acupoints in sequence. Use palm heels to press and knead in circles around the navel. Clockwise can relieve constipation. Counterclockwise can relieve diarrhea. Next, alternately push and pull the dimeridian. The two techniques of circular pressing/kneading and pushing/pulling can be done alternately. Next, with a single clenched fist, knead in circles with finger knuckles. After kneading, continue circular soothing. Overlap both hands, press in circles with finger pads. Continue circular soothing with palm heels. Next, press the ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon in sequence. After finishing, remember to continue circular soothing. Overlap both hands, perform rhombus strengthening massage to unblock abdominal stagnation. After finishing, soothe in circles again. Press and knead below the navel with both thumbs. Continue circular soothing. Next, we overlap both palms to expel gas. Rub hands until warm and press the abdomen. Soothe in circles again. Finally, unblock the dimeridian on the sides of the waist. Use the same technique on the other side as well. Quickly learn it for your family.
First step. Use both thumbs to push directly along the bladder meridian. Press and knead the Qingshan point and the Weizong point. Repeat this for 10 times. Second step. Use both thumbs to push outward, separating. Repeat this for 20 times. The movements should be slow and penetrating. Third step. Make a fist and use your knuckles to kneel push the entire leg. Use your body strength to do this for 8 to 10 times. Fourth step. Horizontally push with both thumbs for 20 sets.
Feeling tired or weighed down by stress? A simple foot massage you can do right at home can really help. It boosts your circulation throughout your entire body, which helps your muscles relax and eases that feeling of pressure and fatigue. It also supports your body's metabolism, improves how you digest and absorb food, and aids in getting rid of waste. Doing this simple home massage regularly can be a great way to feel more physically comfortable and energized in your daily life.